My name is David Peters. I've worked here at Courtesy Ford for nearly 13 years. I've been very happy with the shop, very happy with this dealership, management, how this place has been ran. Now we're currently in a remodel, which is kind of improving, just the area, how we can work, how fast we can work, how efficient we can work. Automotive repair is good for people that don't enjoy sitting in an office, would like to move around all day, like to use their hands, like to do different tasks, and really just be active. You're always doing something. You're always using your legs, you're always using your hands, and then you're always using your mind. So it's something that pretty much covers everything that you're going to do in a given day is going to use all those facets in order to actually do your job. I think somebody would enjoy working at Courtesy Ford because it is a big group of technicians. A lot of them have gone through many programs that are regional, some of them local, and a lot of that helps to educate each technician as they come in. What this dealership does is they continue on that training and continue to send people back to school in order to stay up with new things that are changing in the automotive industry, both with electric cars, hybrids, diesels, anything of that nature. A lot of the benefits that this dealership provides is that you always have somebody to talk to, being our service manager. You can go in if you have concerns, you can go in if you need some time off for a few hours to run to a dentist appointment. A lot of times working at other companies that can be a lot more difficult where it has to be planned out really far in advance. Here they make it easy if something comes up, you need to come in late for one reason or another. You just give somebody a call and it's simple.